As y'all can see, man, I'm back on another trip. And I'm going to still say the same thing, man. You should be doing the same. Just do it safely and responsibly, you feel me? Wear your mask. And if you believe in the jabs, we ain't going to say the word vax. We're going to keep that at that. And yeah, let's do it safely, man. Anyways, I'm going to let the rest of the video do the talking. Hit the like and subscribe.
Good morning, family. It's time to get another day going out here in New York City, specifically in Manhattan. So, before we get this day started, I need y'all to like and subscribe as usual, nothing new. Share this with your mama, your cousin, your auntie, everybody but your kids.
All right, y'all, back on another flight, man. As you can see.
If you have any questions or need to be reseated, please tell the flight attendant.
I don't know if y'all can hear me,
Thank
but...
you.
Yes, sir, had to get it. Yeah. Hey.
Check real quick here.
I'm gonna... Shit, we finna get a burger, really? Shit. Boy finna grub, man. Hey, this burger smack. It's expensive at burger, like $15. Alright, so I'm just waiting on my taxi. And then I'm gonna show y'all the room. Should be like another 15-20 minutes, so stay posted, man. You come in right here, make this quick left, and you have the bathroom. Nice size bathroom. And shower, okay? You come out of here, come this way. You got a, looks like a king size bed. Could be a queen, but it looks like a king. You got a little workstation right here. You get some video editing done. Nice flat screen. And the best part, you have a kitchenette, guys. So if you want to cook something up in here, you can get that done. And yeah, the view, I mean, it looks like a apartment type of, I don't know, but that's that. I think that is pretty. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, I already checked into the room. Finna go get some grub, man. I think we're gonna try out this curry spot, so I'll show y'all when I get there. It's kind of quiet over here. Can't lie. Hella quiet over here. From 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. the subway's closed, so just keep that in mind. It is a lot of construction over here getting done too. So if you staying in like a close hotel, expect to hear some construction, subways, all that. You gotta get used to that. I will take y'all down here though, maybe tomorrow. Today, just gonna be just getting food and chilling, relaxing. So yeah. Got this nice building right here. I'm not too sure what this is right here. And you got some more shit down there. So, Have to try out one of these little carts or something before we leave. See how it tastes. We got another food truck. Looks like they got some lamb meat. Finally made it to the destination. Show y'all that. Look at that menu. Okay. Alright. And there you go. And we got the lovely lady over there making it for us. Yes, ma'am. Alright. Hey, man. Shout out to Go-Go Curry. No cap. Finna go in, y'all. See that shit? I ain't gonna tell you what I got. Motherfucking me chicken in here, man. I got a little pork in here. Couple eggs, boiled eggs. And a shrimp. And then you got your rice at the bottom with the curry sauce. And some type of vegetable that kind of looks like cabbage.